What's the secret to make a white siopao dough? Let's find out! Let's start by preparing the yeast mixture. We need 2 cups of warm water, 1 pouch of active dry yeast, and 2½ tablespoons of sugar. Mix it well and set aside. While waiting for that to activate, let's prepare the flour mixture. We need 5 cups of all-purpose flour, half a cup of sugar, 1¼ tablespoon of baking powder, and half a cup of shortening. We now add the activated yeast mixture to the flour mixture and mix it together. I'm using a hand mixer, but I'm still waiting for a stand mixer. Anybody out there? I'm still open to it. Now let's add half a tablespoon of white vinegar. And then mix it well. I really hope that in my next baking video I'll have a stand mixer. Do you notice any change in the color of the dough? Is it really getting whiter? Have you tried using white vinegar before? Let us know in the comment section down below. After mixing the ingredients together, let's put it aside for the dough to rise. Put a cover on it and wrap the bowl with a towel. We let it rest for 1 hour until it doubles in size. We call this process alsa in Tagalog. While waiting for the dough to rise, or alsa, let's prepare the filling. First we brown the minced garlic, then add onions, then the pork. We cut the pork into this size so they are easier to shred. When the meat is browned, we add water and bring it to a boil. We add some star anise and 4 tablespoons of dark soy sauce. Let it simmer until the meat is fork tender. Like this, so it's easy to shred. After shredding the meat, we put it back into the pan. We add 2 tablespoons of cornstarch diluted in 1/4 cup of water. Then we pour it over the meat to thicken the filling. Then add 4 tablespoons of brown sugar and stir. Add 3 tablespoons of oyster sauce and 1 tablespoon of hoisin sauce. Stir until it thickens. Like this. Now let's check on the dough. Oh jeez. Punch it to remove the air. We knead the dough on a floured surface for about 15 minutes, or until it becomes smooth and no longer sticky. Oh, by the way, are you subscribed to our channel yet? 1 subscription equals 1 free Siopao. Kneading the dough will make it elastic, like this. Then we form it into a long log and cut it into pieces. We form each piece into a ball and then let it sit for another 20 minutes before we assemble the bun. Then we roll out each piece, make the edge thin and the center thick so it can hold the filling. Then we put a tablespoon of the asado filling. Gather the edges and form some pleats. Seal the top properly by pinching it and twisting it, like this. Then shake it for better shape. Let's repeat. . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . I put the dough on a plate so I can rotate it while gathering the edges together. Then twist, pinch, and shake. Then wait another 10 minutes. For the steaming process, we add 2 tablespoons of white vinegar to the boiling water. We place the siopao on parchment papers. Now let's steam the siopao for 20 minutes on medium heat. The towel under the lid is to stop water from getting into the siopao. The big reveal! Is it really whiter? Does white vinegar really make siopao whiter? What do you think? Let me know in the comment section down below. Whiter or not, the siopao is fluffy and tasty, even without sauce. Mangantayon kakapsat! After this video, I did some research and found out that vinegar activates the gluten in the flour that produces carbon dioxide gas, which causes the dough to rise faster. This explains why the dough in this video leavened more than double in size. The ingredient that really makes siopao dough whiter is a bleached flour. Our next experiment will be with bleached flour, so watch out for that.